It's time. Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and got another box in the mail. They keep coming, the hits keep coming. Let's check it out. All right, I'm back in. It's time to chop into this box and see what it is. Let's see. Let's see. So how y'all been? These last couple of weeks, been some good things coming in. So let's see. Let's see what we got today. What do we have today? What's in the box? What's in the box? I got a bunch of papers and from the signature collection of Dunhill, this Indian Sandalwood. I don't know if that's gonna come in because the plastic is reflective. I think I mentioned this before, but the Dunhill signature line and the Dunhill icon line are all being discontinued. So if you're interested in those fragrances, you better pick them up soon. The Dunhill icon, the original, the silver one, that one is getting really hard to find now at a reasonable price. And actually it's getting hard to find in general. But the Elite and the Absolute, from the icon line, the black bottle and the gold bottle, those are still okay to find. They're not too hard. There's a sample of Drakkar Intense, and the other part of the icon line, the racing blue, and the original racing, and I got sample exception. Those are pretty easy to find too. So, but they're gonna be gone soon. So you might want to go ahead and pick them up if you're interested in those fragrances, because in a little while they will be they're discontinued now, but in a little while you won't be able to pick them up anymore. So that's what led me to pick up this one. So let's go ahead and chop into this. Now I got a sample of this a little while ago, and this was before I knew that the line was being discontinued. I just got it because I just wanted to see if I wanted to get a couple more of the signature ones. I have the the Egyptian Smoke, I think, and then I have a couple of the ones from the icon line. Like so. Let's see. Go ahead. Here we go. And here we go. The regular presentation of the signature line. They all come in this kind of box like this with a plaque there, and you just lift it up and the bottle sits in there nice and snug in the box, in the bottle. So let's go ahead and get a spray of it. Oh, before we get a spray, let's look at the bottle. I just smudged it up. The difference between the bottles are the signature line, they had this little divot in the middle, big hole, and the icon line, I don't have any down here, but the icon line is a solid bottle. It has this going all the way down to the bottom. All right, so, and the top of the bottle just has the Dunhill, and it has the graded top on it. Ooh, pretty snug. And then if you can see there, right here is where they have the name written in it, because they don't really have the name written on the bottle anywhere else, or do they? Is that coming in right there? See, they just have Dunhill, but the name is actually there. All right, let's go ahead and get a spray of this. Like I said, I already know what it smells like. I know I like it. and which is the reason why I went ahead and got it before it was gone. Where's the sprayer? Okay, there we go. Oh no, I'm spraying myself. Goodness gracious. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, I might want to put this on today. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yes, indeedy. That sandalwood is creamy. It is nice, and sandalwood is one of my favorite notes. So, yeah, this is doing it for me, man. Oh man, actually, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my skin, even though I'm gonna be washing it off soon. But I can still enjoy it for right now. Oh man. Yes, that sandalwood is creamy. It's a little sweet. It kind of reminds me, not that it's a clone of it, but the sandalwood is it in there. It's kind of reminiscent of the Le Labo Santal 33. It's kind of reminiscent of that. It doesn't smell like it. It's a different kind of scent altogether. This one is more cozy, more a date scent. That other one, the Le Labo, is more of a like an everyday going out and walking the streets and kind of hanging out with your friends kind of scent. This comes off more like a date scent. Yeah. Oh man, this is good. This is good. Glad to have this. And yeah, so places I've seen this, I think I've seen it at Fragrant X, Fragrance Net, Joma Shop has them. I think I've seen a couple on Amazon. Maybe not the signature. It might have been the Icon line, not the Elite or the Absolute or the regular Icon, but the Icon Racing line. And someplace else I saw it. I saw it somewhere else. I think maybe Fragrance Spot or Frag Flex. I think it was there. I think they said there, but I don't know. I can't remember. Check around if you have a chance. Look around and try to jump on one of those pretty quickly, because, like I said, they were discontinued like the end of not last year, not 23, but not 24, but 23, or was it the end of 22? But they've been discontinued for at least a year, so the stock is going to run low soon. So don't say that I didn't tell you, I didn't warn you. But anyway, all right, that's all I got for you today. Sandalwood, Indian sandalwood from Dunhill, the Icon collection. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this new discontinued fragrance that I got. Until next time, it's your boy Will with Will Report. Deuces.